Are you moving forward? Kahapon I was in a building at nasa 27th floor ako. Tapos may magandang view ng Manila Bay at napansin ko sa baba may nagpa-practice ng dragon boat racing. I observed how they were doing it. Napansin ko, of course, may mga nagro-row, those who are really giving their best. Tapos merong isa sa harap, siya yung nagbi-beat ng drums para may rhythm, at merong isa sa likod, making sure they're going in a straight direction. At nakita ko ang tulin ng takbo nila. Napakabilis. Nakakatuwa talaga tingnan. Parang yung buhay natin may similarities dun sa dragon boat racing. Parang in order to move forward, dapat hindi tayo nag-iisa. Kayod tayo ng kayod, at kung wala naman tayo sa tamang direksyon, o kaya wala tayo sa timing, ay sayang lahat ng mga efforts natin. Ikaw ba napapagod na? Napapagod ka na sa kakatrabaho? You're giving your best, pero it seems like nothing's happening. Parang you're not moving forward. Pero alam mo, go ka lang. Tuloy mo lang ang pagsisikap mo. But this time, make sure you're listening to the beat of God. Yung may guidance ka. Tapos continue to keep the faith. Meaning, patuloy ang pagdasal, patuloy ang pagsilbi para hindi ka nawawala sa landas. At straight ang papupuntahan mo. There will be times really na kahit gaanong kayod mo, parang feeling mo walang nangyayari. Pero I tell you, that time will come. Nauusad ka rin ng mabilis. Baka this time you're trying to learn a lot of things pa lang. Or maybe right now, you're learning a lot of hard lessons. Pero don't despair. God is faithful and God wants you to succeed. God wants you to move forward in life. Basta importante yung direksyon patungo sa Kanya. At pag minsan nawawala tayo sa landas, nagkakasala tayo, o kaya may panahon na nalungkot tayo, na-depress tayo, nawalan ng gana, sige lang, balik ka lang ulit sa race. Kunin mo yung sagwan mo and start paddling. Kahit mahina pa sa simula, basta you're in the rhythm of God. Later on, magiging mabilis ka na, magiging magaling ka pa, and you will achieve the success you've been dreaming of, at baka more pa, because God will always surpass our expectations. My prayer for you is that you keep moving forward and trusting that God will lead you to the right path.